Welcome to the world of rugby. Here I have attached the international game that I chose. So rugby football originated in Warwickshire, England, and the photos are all hyperlinked to more information. So the world map is hyperlinked to some more history of rugby. Click these images right here of the for important dates, and then there is a picture of William Webb Ellis, who actually decided to start this game rugby, and then the link below of rules for the game. I have a reflection on what I learned throughout researching this game, and have the official homepage linked right here for the National Rugby League homepage. And this is a screenshot of their homepage currently. And then I have a quote from Owen Farrell, who plays rugby, and he says that rugby is a game that's constant. If you are not growing with it, you get left behind. Hope you all enjoyed my newsletter.